I guess, yeah. That's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Damn, that's my whole life goal. I just pop the perk, I pop the blue, just gasoline the cold.
Alright, y'all, so we here. Oh, this joint tough me. Oh my god, yo, you about to get a water. Yo, this joint hard. That's the hot tub. The hot tub over there. Shoot, I can't swim. I'll drown. Dang.
Never, yo. This kind of little.
That's tough though.
There's 2 toilets in here.
I'm about to turn the light on. Oh, that's to the shower. Hello.
But we touching, I'm touching everything.
This joint too tough, yo. Yo. Oh, what's the other them joints? Yo, why the stairs like that?
It's not working. What is it? The keys got it. Yo, tell them the electrical. That's not one by.
Yeah, this joint tough. Oh, yup, look at this closet. Ain't nothing. Hold up. Hello. Alright, y'all, so we here. This joint too tough.
Alright, come on, we're gonna see.
Let's go upstairs. I'm gonna switch to my camera. I am. These stairs a little, ew. I don't like these stairs. Okay. Sure. Alright, y'all, this is the pool area. Oh, this joint looks so deep. And then there's another one down here. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna go upstairs and put my bags away. Ain't nothing. These are stairs. I'm about to go put my pajamas on because before I got here, I had put my, I had got in the shower, so I don't even need to do that.
Oh, yeah, my own.
I want you to take me too. Alright, yo, this my box. Got the name on there. Let's see who they. I got. Okay. I'm feeling it.
Oh, look at him. Pants in a low tee that match the pants. Oh my gosh. And look at the socks. Damn. Don't forget
What's y'all getting? Where
And polo tee.
got Wonder Woman.
Nothing.
What you got? Dio! What you got?
You. These my pajamas. Polo tee. Hold on. Where the polo drum go?
Oh. Oh, what you got?
But ain't nothing now. Put this in my bag. I'll put this in here. Hold on, let me see. Where the polo drum go? Oh, I thought the shirt inside out. No, I didn't. Wait, no, I didn't. Oh, yo, these are pajamas.
Can I get some soap?
Alright, you.
Yeah, for the mayonnaise.
My phone died. My joint already died. I switched to my camera.
I'm about to say you be doing your bank on your way. Yeah, about her business, y'all. Listen.
Ain't nothing. Outside, tough.
Mom, what's the Wi-Fi? It's standing right there. Don't let me in. I forgot. Yo, they want me buffing stuff.
Where the mayo is? I missed the. Take your.
They missing out.
A spoon. Thumbnail.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's smart.
Oh, I forgot what you look like, yo. You good? I hope you're good.
I'm talking about
Now I finally know what's under the mask.
Oh, you look like a rich white kid. Yes, he do.
You know Keem out here, like Keem out like.
Like, I spend money, but I think she's good. So, this for y'all four. Don't eat this for okay. This for y'all four. Y'all eat all these Starburst.
Twizzlers is my name. Alright, who vote?
This is all y'all know. Y'all got swoosh y'all back cakes up. It don't matter. And y'all make it look nice.
It do matter.
Besides,
Oh, I know Twizzlers nasty, y'all.
we just.
Yes.
Yo, I think that might be the fly.
All this stuff, I'm gonna eat a piece. I'm gonna bring it over here. Yeah, that's some people eat, bro. They was smart because they put the.
We also need doing TikTok behind the scenes. Oh, that probably. Picture, Kaya. His dogs is out.
Alright, whoever land on this. What? Yes, no, we not about to take all this time. Bitch, I'm what? Lord.
No, they kiss on our
Alright, come on.
Oreo, so I gotta also like it. I lost it and now I can look for them. But I'm about to go look for them. I'm coming. Tay is coming. I'm coming. I'm coming to look for them. Yup. I already guess I'm gonna scope the scenery, yo. I already know where they are. Somebody running upstairs. I already feel him. Oh, I already feel. Yo. One out. Then we looking for another one. I'm surprised nobody had it in there. Let's check in here. They think they slick coming in here. Nobody in here. Nobody in here. It's so wet in here. I don't even want to go in here because my socks will get wet. But huh? I got these from Kaya. She said these are. Alright. Alright. See, look, I already saw a little nigga up there. Think he's slick. It's the bull with the glasses, Lulu. Pink roll with a nice switch. How you get your day started? Nigga like this. I heard a torture got killed for try swap blicks. Y'all niggas popping, get no cheese. Y'all just pop. But we tried birdie code, but niggas finna block. Oh, we getting mad because I missed my salon. I just do my dress. Bro said they on their side, then they died indeed. Or your name, we about to do a bacon challenge. This is the stuff we're gonna be using. We're gonna use yellow strawberry. We got everything out. And yeah. Let me wipe my camera.
So one of you wanna make the one of y'all gotta make the some of y'all gotta make the alright, well which one you gonna make the strawberry? Are we gonna make the strawberry? No, we got chicken for
Alright. Yo, we about to win, if y'all didn't know. Alright.
Yeah, we don't got no vanilla, so we gonna hit it.
Alright, so y'all, I'm gonna get the measuring cup. What we need? What we need the bag? What we need? Alright, we need 3 eggs. I'm gonna put each, like, I'm gonna lay hand your stuff up. So whichever I put in here. This the egg.
Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? Texting emojis, tongue out eggplant, must have went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy, yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head for fraud.
We gotta get the little edges off the side.
Yep.
Oh my god,
Alright, yo, we having a baking competition. We about to eat up.
Nobody doing it like that. Nobody doing it like that.
We about to cook food.
No, oh yeah, I got you. We're not doing it.
Ain't nothing. And then we about to spray the pins, y'all. These the colors. We got gray.
I gotta get this for my drawer.
Yellow, red, turquoise to whatever. Look like a greenish stuff.
Alright, yo, so we about to cook. So we making a tie-dye cake. So we got our regular base, but we got this. We got all the colors. Then we got
gonna mix it.
Feel me? Alright,
I'm gonna sit y'all there. I'm gonna come back. Alright, yo, we doing a little design. Then you could do it like a cross too. If you want to see how they do it. Yeah, like that.
Yes.
Nobody doing it like that, bro.
Ain't nothing. Ain't nothing. Alright, y'all, so the cake's out the oven, like I said, like three times. She gonna put the icing on it. We know when it tastes good too. Hello.
Sure about that?
Yeah. Bro. Yo. And that's on video.
Get it up.
Like, why you doing all that? See, that's because the cake is nasty.
Bro, can y'all please pick my juice up?
That cake good.
That's what you get.
Oh no, y'all. Like, see? Look at this little nigga.
That's what God
Alright. Y'all think this joint is over these? No. Y'all try to be like us. I'm cracking up. See it going wrong because y'all try to be like us. This hood Tolly. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Uh-huh. There you go.
Yo, who turned off the good vibes? Oh, I did.
We're going cool it.
Mom, why you turn off the good vibes?
Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at that. Look at that moist cake. Ooh. Hello.
This one already played.
Okay, that's good.
Let's see that.
Even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow. That's cause the necklace of Frank.
For sure is right on.
For sure, you're right on.
Like y'all gotta like really get into it. The little ice too, you already gotta prepare. Don't try to fill it in. Let's see what they got going. Sir, you got marshmallows in the middle?
Nah, bro.
Oh, that's the chocolate. Word. Y'all gonna put this one in? Put it in. Put earrings on it. Bacon, yeah.
Yeah, I hope.
What the heck? He was spit on. Literally.
Yeah. That's why I'm not with nobody. Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over, text it and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody. Even if you gotta leave somebody.